First thing we're going to do is we need to create a folder where our project is going to go. I'm going to put it into the Google Drive, and I'm actually in my main Google Drive. I'm just going to put this thing right here and call it video number 3. Inside that, I'm going to make another folder and call it media video number 3. So that's where I'm going to put in my footage. I plug in my iPhone after taking the footage, and I open up an app called Image Capture. If you've got a PC, then you can follow the instructions on however it is that you get your stuff onto the computer. I've actually posted something on the on my webpage here. Let me actually really quickly just go there. If you go to movie making and level 1 intro, scroll down to the bottom, and you will see that I have how to load video onto your home computer. So you can go there, and it's got a couple of little tips. You also have a whole bunch of other tutorials as well. Okay, great. Now, I am loading my stuff in video. I'm going to put it into my media folder, and on the Mac, I'm going to select from here down to, where did I start? I started right there. There it is. Excellent. I'm going to say import, and it imports in all of my video. Super. Now that I have the video actually on the hard drive, I'm going to open Premiere Pro. Okay. And fire that up. And with the magic of editing, Premiere Pro has opened up for me. Now, don't worry, if you haven't opened up Premiere Pro since it got updated or installed, it will take a long time to open first. So I'm going to click Create New Project, and I'm going to call this video number 3 because I'm not that creative. I'm going to click on Browse, and then I'm going to go into my Google Drive, video number 3, and this right here is where I want it to go. I've created this ahead of time. I'm hitting choose, and then I'm going to hit OK, because that's all I really need is a title and where it's going to go. Saying OK, and then it creates my project.